Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You've logged in and picked the board you want to change. Now act. Open the board, tap the three dots or edit button and review existing pins. If you already have a pin to use, keep it handy. If not, upload an image sized about 600 by 900 for best results. Once the board's edit view is open, you will choose a cover. This first step moves you out of settings and into direct selection so you're ready to pick or set a new visual. Now choose the cover. Click Choose Cover or the Cover Image field inside Edit. Pinterest will show board pins. Scroll through and tap a pin to preview it as the cover, and use the crop handles or arrows to adjust how it appears. If the image crops awkwardly, set the focal point or re-upload a version with better aspect or composition. Make sure the subject sits toward the center or safe zone so it won't be cut off in thumbnails or grid views. Finish by saving edits and checking the board on your profile and mobile to confirm the new cover displays. If it doesn't update immediately, refresh, clear browser cache, or force close and reopen the app. Sometimes Pinterest takes a moment to propagate. If problems persist, reselect the cover or re-upload the image with the recommended dimensions, and then save again. One troubleshooting tip. Changing the board name can sometimes force a refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.